In a humble neighborhood, there lived a family who struggled to make ends meet. Despite their hardships, they held firm to their faith in Allah, trusting Him in every situation. The father, Ahmed, would often take long walks at night, seeking solace and guidance in his prayers, while the mother, Fatima, would teach her children about the principles of patience and gratitude. One cold evening, as Ahmed was returning from the mosque, he noticed a small package by their doorstep. It was unusual, yet he felt a strange sense of calm as he picked it up and carried it inside to his family. As they gathered around the kitchen table, they carefully untied the box to reveal a treasure trove of essential food items and warm clothes. Tucked inside was a note that read, "What is with you will perish, but what is with Allah is everlasting." Quran 16 hours 96 minutes. Ahmed and Fatima exchanged a look of bewilderment and joy, their hearts swelling with thankfulness. The children squealed with delight, immediately embracing the act of generosity as a reminder of Allah's boundless mercy and provision. In that moment, every worry seemed to melt away, replaced by a reaffirmed belief in the unseen and divine support. That evening, they sat together, savoring a warm meal cooked from the provisions, and reflected on the days ahead. Ahmed recounted stories of past prophets, emphasizing how their unwavering faith in Allah had led them through even more trying times. Fatima shared stories of the times the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught about charity and the virtues of helping others. The family learned that day, in the most tangible way, how Allah provides through mysterious and unexpected means, reinforcing their belief that faith during trials paves the way for blessings.
कैसा हुआ क्या हुआ पूरा दिन धरना पूछ रही हूँ